Now after discussing about the mean, I want to tell you what is the median. Mean is also central value and median also indicates toward the central value. Here for the discrete data, median is calculated by getting the average of mid values or exactly mid value. That is, before we calculate the median, we must know whether the number of observations is even or odd. There are two cases, observations number may be even or this number may be odd. So there are two formulae for calculating the median. I am telling you, suppose observations are x1, x2, x3 and xn. I do not know this n is what I am talking about now, median. What is the median? It is the central value which indicates toward the central situation. x1, x2, x3 dot 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 xn, these are the n observations. How to find the median? I am writing the formula here. Case 1, if n is odd, that is if number of observations is odd, then formula for calculating the median is n plus 1 upon 2th observation. That is exactly the central observation. If there are 11 observations, then answer will be 11 plus 1, 12, 12 upon 2, 6. That is 6th observation. But what is mandatory? Very important step, that whenever you are calculating median, the observations or data must be arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Otherwise, you will find your answer wrong. So, in case when n is odd, formula is n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Case 2, I am telling you the formula. In case 2, the median is calculated by using this formula, half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. That is in case 2, that is when n is even. If number of observations is even, then the formula is half of two central values, half of the sum of two central values. But again, number of observations may be even or may be odd, but very important is that data must be arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Then you count the number of observations. If number of observations is odd, apply the formula n plus 1 upon 2th observation. If n is even, apply the formula median is equals to half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So my ultimate purpose is to tell you that what is the median. This is the central value. There are two separate results to calculate the median in case of even and odd.